Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of micro-investing with a specific focus on Raiz Plus. Now, you might already be familiar with Raiz and their standard investing options, but Raiz Plus throws a new wrinkle into the mix, the ability to invest in individual ASX stocks. That sounds pretty cool, right? But before you jump in and start building your dream portfolio of tiny Telstra shares, there's one crucial question we gotta answer. How much does this Raiz Plus thing actually cost? Fee breakdown, not a one-size-fits-all deal. Raiz Plus doesn't have a single, flat fee. Instead, it operates on a tiered system based on your account balance. Here's the breakdown. Under $25,000, if your Raiz Plus account has less than $25,000 in it, you'll be charged a flat monthly fee of $5.50. Over $25,000, for accounts with a balance of $25,000 or more, things get a bit more complex. Here, you'll be charged an annual fee of 0.275% of your total account balance. So, for example, if you have a whopping $30,000 invested with Raiz Plus, you'd be looking at an annual fee of around $82.50, 0.275% x $30,000. Is the fee worth it? Let's do the math. Now, the big question, is the fee worth the benefits of Raiz Plus? Here's where things get interesting. It really depends on your investing style and goals. Here are some scenarios to consider. The micro-investor, let's say you're just starting out, with a few $100 to invest each month. In this case, the $5.50 monthly fee might eat up a significant chunk of your returns. Raiz standard investing options, which focus on pre-built ETFs, might be a better fit with their lower fees. The stock enthusiast, you love the idea of picking your own stocks and building a customized portfolio. Here, Raiz Plus could be a good option. Especially if you plan on investing a larger sum and the annual percentage fee becomes more manageable. Plus, you avoid per-trade brokerage fees, which can add up quickly with traditional brokers. The set-it-and-forget-it investor, if you prefer a hands-off approach and are happy with a diversified ETF portfolio, Raiz Plus might be unnecessary complexity. Sticking with the standard options might be the smarter move. Don't forget the alternatives. Before you settle on Raiz Plus, remember there are other micro-investing platforms out there. Each has its own fee structure and investment options. Do your research and compare fees, features, and minimum investment amounts before making a decision. The takeaway, think before you plus. Raiz Plus offers an exciting opportunity for stock pickers, but the fees can be a deciding factor. Consider your investment style, goals, and budget before diving in. Remember, there are other players in the micro-investing game, so shop around and find the platform that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing.